Alright, so let me just demonstrate something on how to use the FX. For example, I want to use the equation. So come to this place, just click on the equation, then click on this place, it will open. So type your equation, whatever equation you want to type, you can make it fast and quick. Let me type quadratic equation, for example. You know your quadratic formula. If I just say x equals to minus b, you see the way it's appearing now. If I just put plus minus, you see the plus or minus has appeared. If I put square root, just say SR, square root will appear. Then open bracket and close. Inside the bracket, put your b2, it will come out as b square minus 4ac. You see. Then if I want to have my fraction now, make sure you open bracket first because there are so many terms in this numerator. Then come to this end, close your bracket again, then put your divide. You see it has shown the denominator. Put the 2a. See this is your quadratic formula. Just click on this green button here. So click on it, it will take you to Microsoft. You see it has entered your Microsoft Word. Very quick and fast. Then you continue your work you are doing in mathematics. So that is how you impute the formulas. Then a new inclusion that they did, let me show you the science inclusion they did, especially for the chemistry teacher. You can see this. As I place my mouse here, you will see chemistry appear somewhere here. Just watch, you see chemistry appear somewhere at the middle. So this is for chemistry teachers. Let's click on it first. As I click on it, make sure you click on it if you want to type chemistry equation. So you can type simple chemical equation, let's say H2. You don't need to type capital or small, just type your H2. You see hydrogen has appeared the way you want it. Maybe plus O2. See oxygen has appeared. Just put equals to, you see the arrow. Now that you have put equals to, if you put H2O, you see the H2O is appearing here as something like a catalyst. But if you want the H2O to appear in the front, use greater than in front of the equals to. That's equals to greater than, you see it will appear here. But if you want to type your catalyst before equals to, just put this. Let me type something like, let me say zinc. Then now that I've done my zinc, I can now come here and put my greater than. You understand? So this zinc symbolizes my catalyst. Then this is my water. See, very easy to type your chemical equation. If you want another one that will be under, sometimes in chemical equation, some will be up, some will be down. Just come to zinc, put comma before you type the next. Let me just put, for example, let's say copper. See, you see copper has come down. So many things to do with these FX tools. Now that I'm through, if you want to put your state, just open and close your bracket under the equation. Just put your AQ, for example. This is aqueous. Come to oxygen and hydrogen. Put your G. You see gas has appeared. Come to hydrogen. Put your G. See gas has appeared. So by the time you click on this, it will take you to Microsoft Word. Very quick and easy. You see the way it comes out neat. Very fine. If you don't like the font, maybe the font is too small, just click on it. Come to edit. You will now increase the font size. But make sure you highlight it first. Increase the font size to 14 or 16. You see it's bigger. Click on this. See it come out big in this place. So this is the beauty of FX software, the new inclusion, which is Efofex. So let me show you the new inclusion in FX Draw before I end this video. So for FX Draw, if you come to FX Draw, as I said, you can remove this grid if you want, or you can leave it if you want, anyone you want. So these are the new inclusion. If you look at the old FX, you will not see chemical structure, you see. By the time you click on this, you see it's either you are typing your chemistry structure or you want to impute your electrical structure. So I will do another video and demonstrate this new inclusion very well, but I just want to give you a tips. So this is for physics teachers. You can put in your electricity tools in your diagram. It makes it easy. Then this for chemistry teacher. Let me do something on chemistry. As you click on it, you see this cross is there. Just click and drag. Then type your organic structure, your chemistry organic structure that you want. Let me just type something easy. Let's say CH3, let's say CH2, CH2, CH3. You see it comes out quick. Click on OK. Then click on this button. It will go to your work. You can see it. See, instead of you using Microsoft to draw this organic structure, why not just use your what is it called now? Why not use your Efofex to do it fast and quick? You see, I've drawn this organic structure now. Then if you want to draw your physics circuit, come here, come to this place, electrical. So whatever you want to draw, your ammeter, let me put an ammeter somewhere. So this is the symbol for ammeter. You can get your line as wires. You can come again. Let's put cells. Let me look for battery, which is cells. So battery. So just click on this and drag. You see. Then come here, put your wires here. If you want to edit, this one may not be what you want. Click on it. Just click on it. You will see this place. So I want just a single cell, just one. Click that. Okay. You see it. Then put your wires again. Something like this. Let's leave this one here. If you want to put your, let's take your key. Let's find our switch. You look at switch. Want to put your switch. You can see it something like this. So if you want the key to be closed, just click on it. Or sorry, just right click on it. You see switch close. You have closed it, or right click again. Switch open. See, that's how you close and open. You can do other properties addition. So you can put some values, whatever you want. So it depends on what you want to do. Then finally, let me put a resistor on this side. So take a wire. Sorry, let's undo this. Take a wire. Let's take something like this. Let's take a wire like this. Then let me put my resistor. Let's pick one resistor here from here to here. You can see it very clean and fine. You can put your value of your resistance if you want. Let me just put let's say 3. Then to put the unit, just type OM. Just say capital letter OM. Make sure you put it in front of the 3. That is the omega symbol. Just say OK. You can see it has come out as 3 ohms. By the time you are through with it, just click on this. You see, your structure has come out fine in this place. So instead of you stressing yourself drawing this using Microsoft Word, picking these tools, you are just there stressing yourself as a math or science teacher. You can see how I imputed this very quick. So that is all I want to show you, the new inclusion in FX software, how to install it. Copy this link in your browser or go to the description of this video, click on the link there and download it. Follow the steps in this video on how to install it, and that is that. Very interesting tools for mathematics and science teachers. You will love it when you have it in your system. So that is all for this video. My next video, I will do more demonstration on how to use these science tools, the physics and the chemistry tools. I'll show you how to impute them, how to do some manipulations, and that is that. So thank you so much for watching this video. Do have a nice day.